Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing very well. So, today I wanted to talk about we all being perfect. सो मला असं वाटतं की आपण सगळेच जण आपापल्या जर्नीमध्ये आपापल्या लाईफमध्ये वेर एवर वी आर राईट नाव स्टँडिंग डुईंग वॉट एवर वी आर डुईंग और वॉट एवर वी आर चूजिंग इज परफेक्ट फॉर all of us. But somehow what happens is we feel whatever we are choosing is right for us, and when it comes to someone else's choice, we feel की हे कसं हे ह्याच्याऐवजी या व्यक्तीने कसं हे असं चूज करायला पाहिजे होतं किंवा हे तसं चूज करायला पाहिजे होतं किंवा द wherever or whatever spot the person is, and he's not supposed to be at that spot and he should have been at some other spot in his life. But I feel ki wherever the person is, maybe it's your friends, it's your family, your parents, your siblings, I feel जसं माझं हायर सेल्फ किंवा माझ्या इंट्युशन्स, माझं नोईंग हे कसं परफेक्ट आहे on this journey wherever I'm standing and walking right now, the same is applicable to everyone around us, right? So मला असं वाटतं की when you start seeing people as perfect, you don't feel the need to go and correct them or to change them or to repair them or to when you have the feeling की कसं यांना मी असं हेल्प केलं तर हे बेटर स्पॉटला जातील किंवा हे जास्त अचीव करतील. बट आय फील दॅट्स नॉट हाव इट वर्क्स, राईट? एव्हरीवन कॅन सर्वाईव्ह विदाउट युअर हेल्प, अँड दॅट्स वॉट दे आर सपोज टू बी डुईंग. that's how they're supposed to learn. So instead of looking at them as imperfect and incomplete, can we just look at them as complete and perfect beings who know what is good for them, who know what is right for them, who know where they need to correct, who know where they need to change themselves. आय एम नॉट सेईंग की तुम्ही अफेक्शनेटली एखाद्या व्यक्तीला एखादी गोष्ट सजेस्ट नका करू. वॉट आय फील इज की एक्सपेक्टिंग देम टू फॉलो इट or implementing it is where we start a new thing, or that's when we stop looking at them as perfect individuals who know what they want in their life. आणि म्हणजे हे तर किती इगोइस्टिक आहे ना की मी फीलिंग दॅट आय एम ॲट अ वंडरफुल स्पॉट अँड द अदर पर्सन इज not at that great spot, or he can do better in his life. I feel that's the most egoistic statement we can hold towards anyone in our life. So let's drop this imperfections, and let's drop this parts which come from our ego and our egoistic thought. The world is perfect, the universe is perfect, with all its ups and downs. It's just beautiful the way it is, right? It doesn't need to change or implement, or it doesn't need to do something more to be more perfect. No, it's just the way it is, right? And maybe once you start seeing people as perfect, all you can see is good in them. All you can do is unconditionally love them and unconditionally accept them and be with them in their journey. Not leading their journey, but walking with them on their journey. So you're walking your path, the other person is walking their path, and it's just beautifully orchestrated the way it is, right? There is no need to change, there is no need to be more perfect. It's just beautiful the way it is. Maybe once we start accepting that it's beautiful the way it is, we create less conflict, and when there is less conflict there is less toxicity, and there is less toxicity, things just start flowing easily to you, right? So if I am in a complicated situation, it's just perfect because I need to learn something. The same way goes with someone else. If the person has invited something that is complicated for the person, or if the person has invited some conflict, he has to learn something out of it, right? It's so simple. So if the person has to learn something out of it, it's just perfect for that person at that moment, because that is how the person is going to grow. So the growth is perfect, and for that they have to be at that position wherever they are. So let's respect wherever everyone is standing, because that's where they need to stand, that's what they need to learn, and maybe that's how we will learn to accept ourselves more. Maybe that's how we will accept that we are also perfect, and maybe this acceptance will lead to more peace and more ease in our life. So this was the thought I wanted to share with you all today. I hope you give it a thought, and you let me know what you feel about it. Okay, thank you so much.